Alright, once you take off these fucking bolts that are hard as hell, fucking those Ford bolts right there, all four of them, 12 millimeter, 12 point. And then you can see over here, it is a 14. Drive shaft is off already. Goes into the gas tank, so I am not removing the gas tank or any of this other stuff. This is still here. I didn't even remove it. I just took off the axle. At the top, you use a wrench. Well, I used a wrench, a 15 wrench, and a 21 millimeter socket with the impact gun for the nut on the bottom. And that's the same for all four. There's four of them. So you got one right here, one right there. You can see the wrench up there still, the 15. That one there. Close the back. And see, I left that one on just to hold it on to it. There it is. And you can see where the 15 is up here. Alright. There it is. Ford. There's the Ford Special. So then when this falls down, I just push this back.